Good afternoon, viewers and listeners. Thank you very much for making time once more to be with BWF Solicitors. You are on the Community and the Law program. Today we have a simple question, and the question is, how do I make my child's British nationality application for free? We aim to look at the possibility and why this application is different. The starting point is that fee waivers already exist for family and private life applications, so that you have to prove destitute or imminent destitution to be able to qualify for a fee waiver. What it means is that you prove that you do not have enough income to cover your essential expense needs, so that you'll be able to pay for the fees. What is different is that the case of R versus the Secretary of State 2021 made it clear that the Home Office has a discretion to set the fees and to charge for the services as far as immigration applications are concerned. Therefore, children's application for British nationality would not be free. The good news now is that the government has changed the position so that those who cannot afford can now apply for a fee waiver for their children. What is fee waiver? That you cannot pay for the fees. What do? You have to prove that you do not have enough income. So if you are working, you provide your pay slips and your bank statements. Each transaction in the bank statements must be explained, especially those that run from £200 and above or £150 and above. You also have to show what the money went to do. In other words, what was the expense for? And if you received the money, the source, what was this money for? So payment from friends and family, you have to explain whether they are loans or whether they are support. And payment to friends and family, you have to prove whether they are loans that you have repaid. Therefore, it is important that you provide all the bank statements you have, including that of your children. It is also important that you disclose all material information relating to your expenses, including income and expenditure statement. If you're able to do all this, the caseworker will make an assessment of your request and grant request so that the child's application can be made without paying for it. Because this is your claim, it is important that you have enough information, enough evidence to prove that you qualify for a fee waiver for your child. We trust that we've been able to shed light on this important policy change. Join us again once more next week for another encounter on the Community and the Law program. Shalom. Peace with you.